a gentleman by the name of Mohammad Iqbal, and it is directed towards me. Quote, a newly established law directorate at the GHQ is tasked to research and render legal advice on constitutional and international issues. Why can't we have coordination with them? Thank you. I did not know that the army has now undertaken this task. I, for one, am more than ready to render coordination and tell them how to operate tanks and artillery machines if they want, or if they want to or if they want to learn from what little one knows about the constitutional and international law issues, they're welcome to invite me or any one of us. Once again, you've been a remarkable audience, and I can't thank the speakers enough for their dedication and the time that they took out. And thank you very much.
For more informative videos with Chaudhary Javed, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Zigzag News. We make it special.